Welcome to another Thrifty Shutterbug car boot video. In this particular video, me and my dog Molly go to a midweek car boot. Now, it turned out to be, for a long time, quite disappointing because there wasn't much of anything to buy. People weren't opening their stalls. They were doing the same thing I was doing, walking around and looking. However, we did end up finding some BOLOs. So even though it wasn't a big haul, it's definitely worth walking around for 2 hours and looking. But I just show you a little bit of it here, and let's get to it. Oh, here come lots of dogs. How much are your LPs?
Pound for Michael.
Alrighty. I think I can do that.
Oh, Michael.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
How much for your little paperweight? £2. £2? All right. Let's see. Can you break a $5?
Yeah. Thank you.
There we go. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
How much for this, mate? £2. All right. Here we go.
Okay, love, thank you.
Thanks. Okay, I don't think I was recording for this bit, but I got this Global Cat for $3. He wanted $5, but $3. I didn't really want to pay $5 because I don't know what it's worth.
Yeah, I used to do, yeah. Come on. Yeah, basically, yeah. That's why I've not been going out there. I mean, I like going
How much you selling your game for?
£1.
I'll take that.
£12 to stand. I reckon you're talking £30 round. I mean, come down here. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Thank you.
Don't get me chocolate off that.
Good luck with that.
Have all three for £1.
All three. Ooh, hard to say no. I'll do that. Can't say no to £1 for that.
Like a bag.
I'm all right. I got one here. Thank you, though.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Wait.
Do you want a toy? Do you want a toy? No, not today. Okay.
Yeah, he would do.
Walked into the bar, walked up to the bar, right next to me.
Yeah.
Bought him a drink and chatting, like, and then the call came over the tannoy, till he'd unlocked, bought the pits, practice start, 5 minutes or whatever. It was neck and whiskey, like, you wouldn't believe. Yeah.
How much you want for your little pins?
£1 each, love.
Alrighty. Let me see if I got.
There's some a right mixture, and they're the same price. I mean,
Alrighty.
In covers.
I'll take one of these, please.
All right, love. Thank you.
Thank you. So I know this was a very short video, and I'll do another one very soon just to make up for this, but I wanted to let you know, if you can make it to a midweek car boot sale, you just need a little bit of patience sometimes. You don't always pick up a lot of stuff, but you can get some really good items at really good prices. Hope to see you again soon.